Today I would like to share with you a commonly used off-grid parallel system. It is composed of two 6 kW Goal Zero off-grid units and two wall-mounted batteries with a capacity of 10 kWh. At first glance, there is a communication line connecting the main unit of the battery to the slave unit. Connect the communication output of the master device to the communication input of the slave device and plug it into the corresponding port on 4852. This is the most common issue encountered in low-voltage systems that are not connected to the main power grid. How can one determine if there is proper communication between the master device and the slave device? At this moment, it is visible on the host machine screen that there are two units connected in parallel. Through the menu, you can view the parameters of both batteries. This indicates that the two batteries have successfully been connected in parallel. The main unit of the battery and inverter uses an RS485 cable for communication connection. The power lines of the two batteries should be connected in parallel at the lower end of the DC circuit breaker. Then they are connected to the battery input side of each of the two inverters. Two 6 kW off-grid inverters need to be connected in a master-slave configuration. A network cable will be used to connect them to the in-port of the slave unit's parallel output. There are also two equal flow lines, one connecting from the left interface of the main unit to the left interface of the secondary unit, and the other connecting from the right interface of the main unit to the right interface of the secondary unit. Then the input and output lines of the AC side will be connected in parallel. This is the side related to the exchange. There is also a crucial line, which is the gray communication line from the BMS to the inverter, connected to the host's 485 port. The black wire is for parallel communication between the master and the slave. Our system is a unidirectional two-machine parallel setup. So when the inverter is in standby mode, select menu 23 and set it to the PAL mode. PAL one-way parallel end. Then log out. When the main unit and the slave unit are finally turned on, the screen of the main unit will display sheet and the screen of the slave unit will display SL1. At this point, opening the load indicates that the host and slave units have successfully merged into a single unit.